So let's understand chemical reactions. In order to understand them, we have to remember some things about atoms. These are very important. If we forget these things about atoms, then we cannot understand chemical reactions. So these things to remember are one, first of all, atoms last forever. The next thing we have to remember is that atoms form groups called molecules. So let's imagine a scenario. So imagine that we have a glass of soda water. Here's our nice soda water, maybe it's Sprite or Coca-Cola or some delicious drink. And we want to know what's going on in there. Well, if I told you that in soda, carbonic acid is reacting to form carbon dioxide and water, you might wonder, well, what is that supposed to mean? Well, let me go ahead and sketch it out for you here. So carbonic acid, it has a chemical formula of H2CO3. And if I draw the structure for you, we can see that that one carbon is in the middle, the oxygens are all bonded to the carbon, and there's two hydrogens hanging off the end of those two oxygens. And our arrow to the right means that this will react to form carbon dioxide, which is a carbon bonded to two oxygens, and some water. The plus means that these are two separate chemicals that are being produced. Well, I can illustrate these with something like M&Ms. So in this case, my brown M&M is carbon, and the red M&Ms are oxygens, and there's our two hydrogens. And this is going to rearrange. So that's what that arrow really means. It just means the carbonic acid, the atoms in that molecule are rearranging to form some new molecules. And this is really good because if we reverse this reaction, we can tell that actually our atoms can reform to make that carbonic acid.